All right, we're going to get started with the trumpet. First thing, when you open the case, make sure the handle's on the bottom. Okay. If it's not on the bottom, it's upside down, and when you open it, it actually could fall out and damage the instrument. So we're going to unlatch it. Now, this is my personal instrument. It's very old, but it still makes a great sound, and that's all that matters to me. Yours is going to look a lot better, and the most important thing is that it works properly. It really doesn't matter how old it is, just as long as it's working properly and making good sound for you. Okay? So this is mine. I'm going to take out the trumpet and the mouthpiece, and that's all I'm going to do. Okay? Now the mouthpiece goes in the lead pipe, and all it does is rest there, and you just want to give it a little twist for a little friction. That's all there is to it. Okay? A lot of people, a lot of kids might want to do this. Makes a good sound, funny sound, and they love doing it, but it can actually make this stick inside the lead pipe. And you won't be able to get it back in your case. If this is stuck, you'll have to wait till your teacher has a mouthpiece puller with him, if he does or she does, and so they can pull it out. Caution, parents, if your child gets the mouthpiece stuck in here, a lot of dads will take vice grips, okay, and wrap it with a towel and try to rip this off. This seal is going to be more powerful than this weld right here, and oftentimes this lead pipe just gets pulled away from this weld between these two pipes here. Okay, so just let the teacher do it, okay? And that's all there is to the assembly.